Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, please do hit that subscription button for me, and also like the video and share the video where you can on social media and Twitter. Thank you. I really do appreciate the support, guys, and all the really nice comments. I do read every comment and I try to reply to them, as you can see. Thanks a lot. I'm getting really good comments, and that's what helps me strive forward in this space. Okay, I'm just hoping that I can keep delivering this vital information to you. Okay, so basically we're diving into CHILIZ then. Okay, so we're looking at the CHILIZ token versus USDT, and you can see obviously from the correction that we've had in Bitcoin, it's quite a big correction, and we potentially in the channel we are targeting a quite a larger correction, to be honest with you guys. We're going to be frank. It does look as though a larger correction is on the cards for Bitcoin, which would actually drag the entire crypto space down with it until it finds its bottom, and then from that you will start to see the recovery. Okay, so I just want to make you aware of that possibility. But at the moment, what's really good about CHILIZ is it's holding support really well, guys. Okay, you can see we're holding this support here. We've not formed that bearish cross there yet. Okay, we are getting these little bounces as well. All right, which is really good. It is good. Okay, we are getting these nice little bounces, and as you can see over here we had a low just there. Okay, so if we drop a target in there, a support line, you can actually see that we've almost wicked off that as support, which is really good. It's really strong. So we actually wicked down to that 0.47 for CHILIZ. Okay, and then we got brought back up. You can see that particular wick there, guys, that is a really bullish wick, right? And I'll explain that to you. Let me zoom in for you. So this particular wick just here, right, that's called a bullish hammer. Okay, you can see that this line at the bottom is called a wick. Okay, and the whole thing is called a candlestick. This is the body and this is the wick. So what happens is, so it'll open, okay, and then this is a 4-hourly candle. Okay, so it'll open there and close there. It will open there and close there. But what happened is that this got pushed down so much for the selling pressure, okay, pushing down, that it actually touched this bottom. But then the buying pressure stepped in and pushed it up and up and up and up, okay, and you saw the candle close up there. So the buying pressure was so immense from that level, which showed an enormous amount of support, okay, enormous amount of buying pressure at that level, that pushed it all the way up and created something called a bullish hammer. Okay, and you can see the very next candle is very bullish as well. It's the body's more up towards the upside than it is the downside, and that creates another wick and another bullish looking hammer. So if we can get two of those, okay, then it's looking really good for CHILIZ. It's looking like this may be a potential bottom, and what you're looking at here, okay, is a potential double bottom. So that's one bottom, a potential third bottom, but you're looking at a double retest of this support at 0.47, which is actually really bullish, guys. Okay, it's called a double bottom, a reversal pattern. So you top out, you correct, you form one bottom, you go up, you make the lower high, you come back down, you form another bottom with solid support, and you can see how solid the support is. You can see how solid the support is because you're getting that bullish hammer. So what we do need to see now is another hammer like this, okay, preferably one that's going to push up more and take the price up more, and then you can see it start to push up. You can see what I said about these EMAs retesting. Okay, these EMAs are coming together. You see that, guys? We did say that these are going to come together. Hopefully what we're looking for is not this. We don't want to see this. Okay, if we see that, that creates more selling pressure. It's an indication of more selling pressure. When you create them bearish crosses, you always, most of the time anyway, guys, you see a larger correction, okay? And you know our target's in a larger correction. You're potentially looking at losing this bottom, okay? And then pushing us down to that level there, which is a previous high, okay? So you may see us cascade down to that level. Hopefully not, okay? What's good is we're seeing an enormous amount of buying pressure for CHILIZ, enormous amount of support in this candlestick here, this bullish hammer, it's pushing us up. That is actually quite a nice structure there, guys, okay? So what we need to do now is get this close here. It's currently 8 o'clock. You're talking another 3 hours, okay, from this point. We need that candle to go green and push up and form another bullish hammer, and then come back up and retest those EMAs, guys. Retest those EMAs like this, okay, retest that 55 EMA, come back a little bit again, and then push on again, get through the EMA, okay, and then we'll see that EMA retest that we've been targeting the channel, where we do get that retest and we push up for CHILIZ, okay, and then the EMAs carry on like that, and then you will see that we've gone bullish again, because what will happen is we'll push through the EMAs, we'll back test it, and then we'll just move up, and we would be potentially taking out this high here, okay, and then taking out that all-time high there. So that's the potential. That's what we need to see for CHILIZ. At the moment it looks quite strong, guys. It is finding a real good level of support there. Okay, so that's basically CHILIZ on the 4-hourly time frame. You can see that a big move is imminent, okay, because we've got this depleting volume, like we say in the channel. The depleting volume is always indicative of a big move, and you can see it's been tailing off for a while now, since there and there. So it's sort of tailing down. So we are looking at that big move, guys. I know someone said in the comments yesterday, you say the same thing every day, but there's not much else I can say than what I see, guys. You know, and I do just try to keep you informed with the current price structure and the current price action, the potential of where it could go. Okay, unfortunately these videos do come out a little bit after the event sometimes, and I can't kind of update you in real time. That's why you do need to get yourself in the Telegram group there. So if I see any update, you know, then I will post that to yourself. So hopefully what we're looking for on CHILIZ, guys, you know, we're having this test of support there. We're creating that double bottom there on the 4-hourly time frame. On the 4-hourly time frame, we are pushing up. We do seem to be pushing up there. We're finding quite a high level of support for CHILIZ moving forward. So hopefully what we need to see is a retest of that EMA there. You know, get above those EMAs again, back test the yellow line, which is a 20 EMA, before we bounce on again, and we get that repel of these EMAs that we spoke about in the channel when we made the first video when we were down here somewhere, guys. Okay, so at the moment still bullish on CHILIZ, guys, but as soon as we form that bearish cross on the 4-hourly time frame, that's when I would be looking to probably be quite bearish, and you may see us push down to this level here, that this 0.35248 roughly for CHILIZ token there. And if you look as well, guys, the RSI is quite low. Okay, so that's always nice to see this. It's pushing down quite low. It is curling more towards the downside there. You do need to see a bit of a curl up like this to bring in this pressure on the buying side there. One thing to look at is the MACD, guys. So you're looking at MACD. You can see this is bearish, okay, but you can see it is tailing off a little bit now because we're getting that buying pressure, that support. And what you need to see is this bullish cross on the MACD, because that will give it an enormous amount of power and pushes up through this histogram here, forming the bullish cross where the blue line goes above the orange line. Push on, push up, and make that bullish cross on the MACD. Get the support coming in and just bounce off this bottom, okay? So if you was to see another breakdown here for CHILIZ, unfortunately, like I said to you, Bitcoin, it carries the market, guys. If Bitcoin breaks down, then everything else breaks down, okay? And you will be looking at level of support. If we was to lose this support again, guys, I would definitely look at a target down here for CHILIZ, okay? You would just basically just see one big cascade of selling. So not necessarily financial advice, but if you could go short on CHILIZ, then if it was to lose this support here at 0.47, you could be looking at a trade of around 25% short for CHILIZ. And if that's something that you want to target, guys, I don't know if you know how to short, but I will certainly be looking at that. I will certainly be looking to go short if we do lose that support there, guys, because you can see it's just a cascade of sell-off volume, because what we'll do, we'll bring the VPVR, look, and you can see the whole. So at the minute you can see we're sitting just above this resistance, this level of support, which is good. We've got, you see, we're bouncing off that level there. You can see the body of the candle there is bouncing off that line, okay, which again is good, okay? That support, really, really good support on that VPVR. Lose that and you can see that we've got that level there, okay, which is this local bottom. You see that? That's a local bottom, and that previous local bottom from the wick down off the bullish hammer there. Lose that and you can see there's just a massive hole all the way down there to this level, okay, this previous high just here. So you may see us take out that quite quickly, guys, okay? But hopefully we find the support, and hopefully we get the, you know, we're looking to reverse here. We get this EMA retest, we get the bounce, we push on and upwards and take out this high and then that high, and then on off to the races for CHILIZ token, guys. So I do hope that technical analysis there has helped you, and I do get feedback that it's helping people and they're learning from it, and that's what I try to do. I just try to say what I see. I'm not going to give you any bullshit, guys, or, you know, or beat around the houses. Just say what I see. We are, in my opinion, we look relatively strong at the moment for support, but what we do need to see is this back test of this EMA, break through it, back test the yellow line, which is a 20 EMA, push on. Okay, good luck, guys, stay strong, and yeah, see you in the next video. Please do like and share the video, and smash the subscription button and the notification bell. And also there's a link in the video description there, the Telegram group, where you'll get real-time updates on all these trades and all the projects that we're covering. And there's great community in there of people bantering about crypto all the time and that. Okay, so do check that out. See you soon, guys. Bye bye.